Good morning. Hello, class. What day is today? What day is today? Great job. Please open your English notebook and write today is. Great work. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Please write in your English notebook. The weather is. I feel happy. I feel happy. How do you feel today? Do you feel happy? Sad? Tired? Hungry? Angry? Or woo! Excited? How do you feel? Please write in your English notebook. All right, students, today you will complete the workbook page. We're talking about the time and food. For example, what time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30. What time do you have breakfast? Please write in your English notebook. Please complete the worksheet and the quiz about time and food. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.